Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, in this video I will make some video tutorial about how to make a flat design tutorial. And the theme is waterfall. And as you know how to make the frame uh, the in before video in um, paper cut effect video tutorial. Yes, you press this more present, and then we we choose the A4 frame like this, and then maybe you can save first and and rename this to flat design waterfall like this. And then uh, if you follow my instruction or my design, you will be like this. And maybe a second. Nah, and the first we make is the background. Make a same frame as rectangle and the yes. And then yes, change no, never mind. And then the first step is make uh, the rock like this. Press P and then like this. Wait a second. Then we choose the gradient one for the color. A second, for the color gradients, and press G to yes like this. And then the white color you change to wait you change to this. And the black color change to, and yes, you can follow or what and you can modify with your color and or with your the model, and then make more like this, or yes, make the stroke first. The color is maybe orange. Orange can be, not orange, it's too bad. Maybe no, no. Wait a second. Stroke. Wait. No. Maybe you can you can uh, copy and paste this rock, and then the second, yes, you can perbesar it like this, and then change the color to orange, it can be, and then I will give you a code, and this is the code D26761. Okay, and go to the bottom of the frame. Now like this. Yes, and then make the rock again. Yes, like this, and maybe you can modify more uh, amazing than mine, and then yes, like this. Hey, it's too P, and then this. Wait. Yes, and then change the color. Duplicate first, like this. Duplicate. Then the second one, change the color to gradients. Now like this, and now, and maybe you can change uh, the stroke to background, but change don't too same like this, but more bright, maybe like this can be, and then add more yes, the rock like this. G, like this, and then maybe you can remove the background first, the yes, the with shift M, with shift M, shift M again, and remove the kelebihan, and then V, shift M again. Now like this, yes, and then wait a second, like this, and then make more rock like that, And then yes, maybe for sun and the waterfall, maybe the last step, because yes. And then add more simple rock like this, and G, and then like this. Then duplicate again and change the color to color, not gradients. Maybe on the left side you can add like gradient stroke, with gradients like this, and G, and then like this, and then that A thread, that, like this, two. Yes. Then with, and then you add one more for the waterfall, rock for waterfall, um, like this, like a rectangle, but there is some the effect like that. Press P, and then like this, like this, like this, like this, 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 like this maybe. Now, okay, so change the gradients to this. um, Go to the bottom of the frame like this, and then what's the name, copy and paste for the stroke. Wait a second. Wait. Maybe the left side you not add the gradients, because not to need gradients, because it's only not stroke, not gradients, because it's only the waterfall here, and then the sun here, and the decoration here. And then you can remove this first, the same, the shift M, and then press Alt. Yes. Yes. And then if done, you can add more decoration, like trees or a house, yeah, like that. um and then add the sun here. um Press M, not M, sorry, L, on your keyboard like this, and then change the color to white, like this. Yes, I'll decorate this with trees, only trees and house, because yes, mm, you can what the name? You can search in Google house or home or hut. Yes, up to you. But I'm use hut or kubuk. Then oh my gosh. Wait, wait a second. Wait, it's too hard. I will remake this. Then like this, and then like this. Yes. Um, and you can make the object to behind of all object on the frame. Press Control and to the curve. Yes, and then Shift M to remove this. Press Alt to remove like this, and then yes, I've done. uh, and then maybe the rock drop a last one for the second layers. Where is the layers? Like this I will lock, and then make this a little small, more small, and then we'll add more rock. And then press G like this for the gradients, and then go to bottom of the object, other object like this. Then drag the sun to here. Use normal sun, like this. Don't lonjong or something else. Wait a second. like this. Okay, and then we make a shadow of sun first. How to make we duplicate alt or control C and control V. Yes, and then the opacity, change the opacity to 60. It can be like this, too small, and then copy and paste again, and the opacity to this, maybe it can be 50. Then add more like this, and the opacity to 40. Now then the first sun, the real sun, um, you can go to front of the shadow, like this, and then make the waterfall here. Wait a second, the ellipse, where is the ellipse? Then you make some like waterfall here, only like this, and then you can remove with shift M. Gradients, make it gradients like this, and then GAK already, and then the first color you change to white color, and then the second color you change to this color. Okay, already nice. And then go to bottom of the other object like this, and then no, and then add more waterfalls here, only P, and then like this, and go to bottom of this rock, and then P again, to 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 like this, and then add gradients here, like this, then go to bottom of this rock and the stroke, like this, maybe it's not too important. Yes, we only make one, and then shift M for what the name, for uh, remove um, the object here, shift M, and then like this. Yes, it's already one more, shift M, press shift M. Okay, and then after this you can make some decoration like trees, hut, or something else or the star here, you can add the star. Yes, and add many more like cars or something else. And then I make the trees here only a triangle like this with, and then change the color. Gradients. The first color you change to gray, maybe it can be, and the second black or something else. Okay, I'll choose black. The opacity of black color change to 90. Yes, or wait a second. Yes, and then drag and drop to here for the decoration. Wait a second. After make the trees in the bottom side, you can add the hut in here, um or here. Yes, you can search in Google. Wait a second. Yes, up to you, but I will choose this one, this hut, and then I will drag here, and then make trees, but um, make some the wood on the bottom of trees like this. Make black or brown color. Okay, like this. Then group that. then add many trees again, or you can change the color of these trees black because the behind of some mount or some rock here, eh, like this. Don't 000 color, but you can custom to yeah, like this, not too black. um, and then you can add more stars for decoration, add more trees here and waterfalls, and yes, you can add more trees